All right, man. You like your new car? Oh, okay. What kind of gas you use? You don't know? I know. This what kind of gas you using right now? Not 93, this 95. Yeah. So it's expensive. Yeah, where we going? You don't know? Or you just riding? You just riding. Okay. Alright. So what kind of car is this? You don't know? Okay, so this a 2021, you don't know. Alright. Oh, okay. My baby boy riding his 2021, you don't know. Yes, sir. He ain't even got a license yet. He ain't even got a license. And he burning expensive gas. This is gas right here. It's gas. Right here. These damn feelers, baby. Oh. Beetle in the way. All right, you got to look straight ahead, man. How you driving looking back? Yeah, man, let me put the camera down, man, because you about to cause us to get in a wreck. What about it? Down here? All right. Now, come on, man. Look, man, you around here driving. Oh, okay. Okay. Grocery shopping with the car in the store, man. People don't do this. Yeah, no, people don't do this, man. You bring a car in the store to grocery shopping. Yeah, and now what? Yeah, what you gonna get to drink? Now, I'm telling you, ain't no drinking and driving. So what you got to get to drink? You got to drink it when you get home. You made up your mind yet? How you doing, sir? I stopped you because you was speeding. You was doing 1.3 million miles per hour in a 10-mile-per-hour zone. Can I see your license and registration, please? Oh, you ain't gonna talk? I'm finna search your car. Oh, no, baby. Oh, man, you around here riding dirty with the fake money, too? Oh, no. And you got the candy. I need backup. Step out the car, sir. I don't know. What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Mushroom. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, mushrooms. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. You like your new car? Alright, as long as you like your new car, you good, baby. Okay. Okay, you got that mama gas now, boy. You riding. You riding? Ah. That's what I'm talking about.